Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. I'm Lily.
And I'm Sam. Hey, Lily, you know what I was thinking?
What's that?
Most English lessons teach vocabulary and grammar, but what people really need is practice with real daily conversations.
You're absolutely right. That's exactly what today's lesson is about. Daily life English conversations.
These are the conversations you have every single day, at home, at work, at the store, with friends, everywhere.
We're going to practice real conversations that native speakers have in their daily lives.
From morning greetings to evening goodbyes, from ordering coffee to making plans with friends.
This isn't about memorizing. It's about practicing natural, flowing conversations.
So, if you want to speak English naturally in everyday situations, this is the perfect lesson.
Don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Practice.
And hit that like button if you use English in daily life.
All right, Sam, let's start practicing. Where should we begin?
Let's start with the morning, the beginning of every day.
Every day starts with morning conversations. Let's practice some common ones.
First, greeting someone in the morning. I'll be person A, you be person B. Good morning. How did you sleep?
Good morning. I slept pretty well, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. I woke up early today, so I'm feeling good.
See? Simple, natural, friendly. Let's try another morning conversation, asking about plans.
What are you up to today?
I have work until 5. Then I'm meeting a friend for dinner. You?
Pretty much the same. Just work and then going to the gym.
Perfect. Now let's practice a morning conversation with a roommate or family member.
Did you make coffee yet?
Yeah, there's a fresh pot in the kitchen. Help yourself.
Thanks. Do you want some toast? I'm making some.
Sure, that would be great. Thanks.
These are the little conversations that happen every morning.
Now you try. Pause the video and practice saying these conversations out loud. It really helps.
Section 2, Commute and Transportation. Whether you take the bus, train, or drive, there are common conversations during your commute.
Let's practice asking for directions first.
Excuse me, do you know which platform the downtown train leaves from?
Yeah, it's platform 3, just down those stairs.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Simple and polite. Now, let's practice at a bus stop.
Let's say, has the number 42 bus come by yet?
Not yet. I've been waiting about 5 minutes.
Okay, thanks. It should be here soon then.
Now, a conversation in a taxi or rideshare.
Hi, I'm going to 123 Main Street, please.
Sure, no problem. Do you have a preferred route?
Whatever's fastest is fine with me.
Got it. Should take about 15 minutes.
Let's practice one more. Asking someone to move their bag on public transportation.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, sorry. Let me move my bag.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
These conversations happen every day during commutes. Section 3. At work or school.
So work and school conversations are super important. Let's practice some.
Starting with morning greetings at work.
Morning! How was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking. How about yours?
Pretty relaxing. Just stayed home and caught up on some shows.
Nice. Sometimes that's exactly what you need.
Now let's practice asking a colleague for help.
Hey, do you have a minute? I need some help with this report.
Sure. What's going on?
I can't figure out how to format this table. Can you show me?
Of course. Let me take a look.
Now a conversation about lunch plans at work.
Are you taking lunch now or later?
I'm going in about 10 minutes. Wanna come?
Yeah, sounds good. Where are you thinking?
Maybe that sandwich place around the corner?
Perfect. I'll meet you by the elevator.
And here's a quick conversation at school between classmates.
Did you understand the homework assignment?
Sort of. We have to read chapter 5 and answer the questions, right?
Yeah, and there's also an essay due Friday.
Oh, right. I forgot about that. Thanks for reminding me.
These are conversations that happen every day at work and school.
Section 4. Shopping and errands.
Shopping conversations are essential. Let's practice some.
First, at a clothing store.
Hi, I'm looking for a blue sweater. Do you have any in stock?
Yes, we do. What size are you looking for?
Medium, please.
Sure. Let me show you what we have.
Now at a grocery store.
Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?
Aisle 7, right in the middle section.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now at the checkout counter.
Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thanks. Just these items.
Great. That'll be $24.50.
Can I pay with a card?
Of course. Go ahead and insert your card.
Now at a pharmacy.
Hi, I need to pick up a prescription. Last name is Chen.
Let me check. Yes, I have it here. Have you taken this medication before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay, the pharmacist will go over the instructions with you in just a moment.
These shopping conversations happen every day.
Section 5. At a restaurant or cafe.
Restaurant and cafe conversations are very common. Let's practice.
First, ordering at a coffee shop.
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure, hot or iced.
Hot, please.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's it. Thanks.
That'll be $4.50 for here or to go.
To go, please.
Now at a restaurant, making a reservation.
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for Saturday evening.
Sure. For how many people?
4 people around 7 p.m. if possible.
Let me check. Yes, I can do 7 p.m. Can I have your name?
It's Sam Johnson.
Perfect. We'll see you Saturday at 7.
Now ordering at the table.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled salmon with vegetables, please.
Great choice. And to drink?
Just water, thanks.
Perfect. I'll get that started for you.
And finally, asking for the check.
Can we get the check, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right over.
Thank you.
These are everyday restaurant conversations.
Section 6. Making plans with friends.
Making plans with friends is something we do all the time. Let's practice.
First, suggesting an activity.
Hey, what are you doing this weekend?
Nothing much. Why? What's up?
Wanna catch a movie on Saturday?
Yeah, that sounds fun. What time works for you?
How about the 7 p.m. showing?
Perfect. I'll meet you there.
Now let's practice changing plans.
Hey, I'm really sorry, but I need to reschedule our dinner tonight.
Oh no, is everything okay?
Yeah, something came up at work. Can we do tomorrow instead?
Sure, no problem. Tomorrow works for me.
Thanks for understanding.
Now let's practice confirming plans.
We're still on for lunch tomorrow, right?
Yep, 1 p.m. at that Italian place.
Exactly. See you then.
See you tomorrow.
And making spontaneous plans.
What are you up to right now?
Nothing really. Just at home.
Want to grab coffee? I'm free for the next hour.
Sure. Meet you at the usual place in 20 minutes?
Sounds good. See you soon.
These are the conversations friends have all the time.
Phone conversations are a bit different from in-person ones. Let's practice.
Let's first answering a phone call.
Hello?
Hi, Sam. It's Lily. Do you have a minute?
Hey, Lily. Yeah, what's up?
I wanted to ask you about that book you recommended.
Oh, yeah. Did you get a chance to read it?
Now, calling someone back.
Hi, I'm returning your call. This is Sam.
Oh, hi, Sam. Thanks for calling back. I wanted to ask if you're free next Friday.
Let me check my calendar. Yeah, I'm free. What did you have in mind?
I'm having a dinner party. Would you like to come?
I'd love to. What time?
Now, leaving a voicemail.
Hi, this is Sam calling for Lily. I just wanted to check in about our meeting tomorrow. Give me a call back when you get a chance. Thanks.
And ending a phone call.
All right, I should let you go. I know you're busy.
Okay, thanks for calling. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Phone etiquette is important in daily life.
Section 8. Small talk and casual conversations.
Small talk happens everywhere. In elevators, waiting rooms, at parties. Let's practice.
First, talking about the weather.
Beautiful day today, isn't it?
It really is. Perfect weather for a walk.
I know. I wish every day was like this.
Now, in an elevator.
Going down?
Yes, ground floor.
Same here. Busy day?
Pretty busy. You?
Yeah, lots to do. It's that time of year.
At a party or social gathering. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Lily.
Nice to meet you. I'm Sam. How do you know the host?
We work together. How about you?
We went to college together.
Oh, nice.
What do you do for work?
Waiting in line.
This line is taking forever.
I know, right? I've been here 15 minutes already.
Same. At least it's moving slowly but surely.
True. Hopefully not much longer.
These casual conversations happen all the time in daily life.
Section 9. Evening and night conversations.
Let's practice evening conversations, wrapping up the day.
First, coming home and greeting family or roommates.
Hey, how was your day?
It was good. Long, but good. How about yours?
Pretty productive. I'm exhausted though.
Same. What do you want for dinner?
Now making evening plans at home.
Want to watch a movie tonight?
Sure. What do you have in mind?
How about that new comedy everyone's talking about?
Sounds good. Let me grab some snacks.
Saying goodnight.
All right, I'm heading to bed. Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
You too.
And texting a friend before bed.
Hey, just wanted to say good night, and thanks for hanging out today.
Of course. I had fun too. Talk tomorrow?
Definitely. Sweet dreams.
These simple evening conversations end our day. Section 10. Complete practice conversation.
Now, let's put everything together. A complete day of conversations.
Perfect. Let's follow a typical day from morning to night.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Morning. Yeah, pretty good. You?
Not bad. I'm making coffee. Want some?
Sure, thanks. What's your day look like? I have work until 5, then meeting Sarah for dinner. You?
Similar. Work and then the gym.
At work. Morning. How was your weekend?
Great. I went hiking. How about you?
Relaxing. just stayed home. Hey, are you taking lunch later?
Yeah, around 12:30. Want to join?
Sure. Meet you at the elevator?
Perfect.
At a cafe.
Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
That'll be $4.50.
Here you go. Thanks.
Making plans.
Hey, what are you up to this weekend?
Nothing yet. Why?
Want to see a movie Saturday?
Yeah, sounds fun. What time?
7 p.m. work for you.
Perfect.
Coming home. Hey, how was your day?
Good. Long, though. You?
Same. What should we do for dinner?
How about ordering pizza?
Sounds perfect. I'm too tired to cook.
Evening.
Want to watch something?
Sure. Your turn to pick.
How about that documentary?
Works for me.
Bedtime. All right, I'm heading to bed. Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
See how naturally all these conversations flow throughout a day?
That's exactly how daily conversations work.
The key to mastering daily conversations is practice, practice, practice.
You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to practice the natural flow of conversation.
These are real conversations that happen every single day.
Here's your challenge. Choose 3 conversations from today's lesson and practice them out loud this week.
Find someone to practice with, a friend, a language partner, or even yourself in the mirror.
Then come back and tell us in the comments which situations you practiced. Which conversation was most useful for you? Which do you use most often?
We'd love to hear about your daily English conversations.
If this lesson helped you practice daily conversations, please give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to Daily English Practice for more practical conversation lessons.
Share this with anyone who wants to improve their everyday English.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
Remember, daily conversations are how you truly become fluent in English.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and use these conversations every day.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Until then, keep having great conversations.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you soon.
Bye.